Is Airwallex a U.S. company? You might have heard this name buzzing around, especially if you're involved in international business. But where is this fintech giant really from? Let's dive into the details. Airwallex, a name that's been making waves in the financial technology world, offers a suite of financial services designed to help businesses operate seamlessly across borders. From payments and currency exchange to corporate cards and banking solutions, Airwallex has positioned itself as a global player. But where does this global fintech giant hail from? While it operates in multiple countries and has offices worldwide, Airwallex is, in fact, an Australian company. Founded in Melbourne in 2015, it has since expanded rapidly, establishing a significant presence in key financial hubs like Hong Kong, Singapore, London, and New York. The global reach. Despite its Australian roots, Airwallex's global ambitions are undeniable. The company has strategically expanded its operations to cater to the needs of businesses worldwide. By securing licenses and regulatory approvals in various jurisdictions, Airwallex has been able to offer localized services to clients in different regions. The U.S. connection. While Airwallex is not a U.S. company, it has a strong presence in the United States. The company has established offices in key U.S. cities like New York and San Francisco, and it has secured regulatory licenses to operate in the country. This allows Airwallex to provide a range of financial services to U.S.-based businesses, including cross-border payments, currency exchange, and corporate cards. Why the confusion? So, why might there be confusion about Airwallex's origins? Perhaps it's due to its rapid global expansion and its strong presence in key U.S. markets. Additionally, the company's sleek and modern branding, combined with its focus on technology, might give it a more global, less regionally specific image. In conclusion, while Airwallex has a global footprint and a significant presence in the U.S., it remains an Australian company at its core. Its ability to navigate complex regulatory environments and offer innovative financial solutions has contributed to its rapid growth and success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.